Accidentally deleted your photos or videos? Don't worry, it's not gone forever. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Webserve Global, where we bring you easy and creative tips to level up your professional and personal skills. Today, I will show you how to get deleted images or videos from your Android phone. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store on your phone to download the Disk Digger Photo Recovery app and install it. This may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed, so hang on until it's completed. Once completed, tap on Open. Now choose the option you want to proceed with, images or videos. Here, you need to give permission to access all your files on the phone. Go to Settings and toggle it on. Allow it to start searching for the data. The searching process may vary depending on the phone's specifications and the size of the data. So, hang on tight until the search is completed. Once finished, it will notify you with scan completed and the number of lost files. Tap on OK. Now, from the hamburger menu, select all files or choose one by one. Once selected, tap on Recover and choose where you want to save them. That's it. Now you have recovered all your deleted files. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching us. We'll see you in the next video.